Hello everybody. Today I will be teaching you how to make a FNAF 3 main menu. So, in this episode I will be teaching you how to code it, how to design it, and the sounds, and how to use the sounds. So I will be using paint.net for this tutorial, and obviously Clickteam Fusion 2.5 plus, by the way. So your Clickteam Fusion might not have the same things as my Clickteam Fusion, but hopefully it does. But yeah, so right now I have one frame and we're gonna rename it to main menu, and then we're gonna make another frame. So right click on this application and click new frame, then name it warning, then drag it to the main menu like this, and then it should go above it. Now we're gonna make the warning. So go to your paint.net or Photoshop or whatever. I just teach paint.net, and then I like to do the aspect ratio of the game. So right now it's 1280 by 720, and just get this tool, the rectangle select, and then drag it like this, and get to a size that you like this to the warning screen, and then copy it. Then click on this, new, and then press OK, and then paste it. And create a new layer. Then go to this text, where the shortcut key is T. And by the way, the font for Five Nights at Freddy's 3 is 5 computers in love, which is this. So I think you can get this font from the font, DA font, but yeah, I just have it installed. So type out warning. I'm gonna also drag the semicolon. I don't know if that's a semicolon. To right there, so it looks better and it's not sagging. Then click on the text again. Then make it about 20. Yeah, that looks about good. And then this game contains loud noises, jump scares. I'm gonna actually center this also. You can do that by pressing this. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And flashing lights. Okay. I'm gonna drag this down a little bit, and then drag the warning down with it. You can obviously see what I'm doing. I'm going to this and switching. Then deselect. You can press deselect right here, and then go to File, Save As, and then if it's actually hold on, cancel that. Click on this, the black background, and press X, the X button right here. Then File, Save As, then warning text. Then press on OK. Then Clickteam, or click on Clickteam. Then double click on the if it's white, by the way, you can click on the warning frame. Then click on the warning frame. Then press on this and then do it to black. Then double click, and then click the active object. Obviously I have more stuff than your Clickteam Fusion because I install plugins and stuff. Then just click on active, or double click. Then it should make your cursor into this. Just click somewhere, and then double click on this diamond little thing. Then press on this. And hold on, let me go to the. And then double click on warning text. Then press OK. Then press OK again. And then what I like to do is I like to right click, then align in frame, horizontal center, and then right click again on the active, and then vertical center. So now it centers it. Now if we run this, see, it's centered. By the way, if you want to get rid of these, just press on the application, and then go to this little computer thing, and then deselect menu bar and menu display it on boot up, and it should get rid of it. See? Okay. Oh wait, I dragged it in the wrong thing. I did the active in the wrong frame, my bad. Then go to frame editor. There you go. Then align the frame, horizontal, align, vertical. So now if you want transitions, like in FNAF, it like fades out between frames. So click on the frame, then fade out, then edit, and then transition, none, to fade. Then duration, I like to do it like 88 milliseconds, like that. So just press OK on that, and then go to event editor on the warning frame, then new condition, and then click on this. It's the mouse and keyboard. Then go to the mouse, then user clicks. Then it should be already on these. It might show up like right here. You can just drag it and just press OK. And then do this, and then right click, jump to frame, and the main menu. Then now if you run this, when you click, it should fade out. Yep, and then it fades to the main menu. That's it for the warning screen. You could obviously do like designs in the background and stuff like that, but you don't have to. For the sake of this tutorial, I don't really want to, because this video is already long. And then go to the main menu, so right click, frame editor. Now we're gonna be doing like FNAF 3, like the text and everything like that, the twitching, Springtrap. So go back to your 1280 by 720 photo, then click on this, then 5 computers in love, make it 28, and then you can choose a green color. I like to kind of fiddle around with this, so press on this, and then like that's probably good. So obviously FNAF 3 doesn't have the green text, so what I like to do is create, obviously do the this thing for the title, copy it, new, and then paste it, and then new layer. And then if there's like a green and then a white for me, just press on this, and then it should change it to white. And then just type out FNAF 3. At least that's what it is for me in this case. I'm gonna make it 32. That's about good. And then it may be white, but we'll fix that. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to press on this duplicate layer, then press on that, and then go to effects, photo or object, then outline object. And then here, actually switch this around, then effects, object, outline object. Now it should outline it with this, so like drag it like about there. I'm gonna make this softness. Okay, press OK, and then go to this, the magic wand, then make this deselect, and then press on the white text, and then press on this, the light bulb, and then it should select every other white text. Then just press delete, and it should have this outline type thing. Now enable the other layer that we just disabled, then go to effects, blur, this one, and then you can either do it like this, or you can add a glow effect. So go to photo, glow, oh, actually make this under the white text layer, it's like this, then go to effects, and then glow, or like the blur. And then I like to do it like this, like I just kind of drag it around and see what's best. Then press OK. I'm gonna make the brightness. Then you can also effects repeat glow if you want more. Then there you go. Obviously this doesn't look that good because I'm not putting that much effort into it for this tutorial. Then go to your white text, so like this. Then press on this button, merge layer down, and then get rid of the background layer. Then see. Then go to file, save as. Then I'm gonna name it title text. Then press OK or enter. Then double click on your frame. Then active. Then press on it, and then click on this, and then title text, and then just center it so it looks good. So run it and like fiddle around with it. I'm gonna make this a little bit like that. Yep, that looks good. Alright, and then we're gonna make the new game and load game buttons. So go to back to paint.net and go back to your 1280 by 720 picture. Then like drag it like this, so like you kind of get like a square that you can fit it in time. Then new layer, and then text layer, and then new game. Make sure it's the same font size as your title text, it will just look better. I'm gonna make this not centered button. Alright, then go to effects, glow, you could obviously glow it. Then file, save as, new game. Oh, actually, sorry, I forgot. Delete the background layer. Then file, save as, new game. Enter, and then create a new active. Then double click on the active, open it, open the like file button, then double click new game, press OK, then press OK. Doesn't match with the title text in my situation. You can obviously do the same thing, outline, everything like that, but like this, I don't want this to be a very long tutorial. And then go back to paint.net, then you can just copy it, and then new, then delete that. Then obviously you want the black, so just do that, and then new layer, and then load game. Then repeat glow, file, save as, load game. Oh, forgot to delete the layer again, my bad. And then file, save as, load game. Sorry, keep on voice cracking. Then you can right click, and then clone object, then press OK, and then just open it, load game, then press OK. And then I'm gonna go into like a zoom, and then align it with the new game. There we go. Now if we run it, there you go. Now we want the like squares right here, and then the sounds when we hover over. So press on X, and then double click, then active, then like do it like in the corner of your object, and then press Control A, then delete. Then so now we're making a thing where you can hover over. It's like a hitbox type thing. I like to make it yellow for a new game, so just do that, and then size it up to new game, and then see it's yellow. Then right click, clone object, press OK, then size it to load game. Then make it a different color. I like to do like the theme of the game for load game, so I'm just gonna make it green. There you go. And then go to the event editor of the main menu, then press on new condition. Actually, yeah, press on new condition. Oh, no. We're gonna make the square effects, or the arrows or whatever. I'm gonna do arrows for this tutorial. Then do it like that. Then copy it, new game, or new file. And then you can just do I'm gonna do a different font for it. I'm just gonna do the FNAF 2 font, which is OCRA. Then repeat glow when you're done. Okay, file, save as, arrow, then press OK or enter. Alright, and then go back to the frame editor, and then double click, and active, then paste it, then open, then arrow, and press OK, and then just drag it where like it lines up, and then clone it, and then drag it to the load game. Okay, but now you're wondering, well, why do we have the arrows? Aren't they supposed to be invisible? Yes. So go back to the event editor and press on new condition, then this computer thing, then press start a frame, then right click on the box below one of the arrows, and then visibility, make object invisible. Then just drag it to the other arrow, the X or the check mark. Sorry. And then now we're gonna do click on this, the mouse, check for mouse pointer over an object. Click on that, and then do the yellow, which is the new game one, and then right click on the new game arrow, and then go to visibility, make object reappear, and then drag this. Like when you click on it, it should be white, so just hold and then drag it to the number 3, and then right click on it, press negate, and then make invisible. The negate does it so where like it's the opposite of like what we did before. So now just drag this to the number 4, and then double click on the yellow, and then press on the green or like whatever your continue game color is, and then just drag this again, then right click negate, and then on this one, the non-negated one, reappear for this arrow, and then make invisible for that arrow. Now it should display the arrow, but we have the yellow and green boxes in the way, so just press on the yellow one, then uncheck visible at start, and then the other one invisible at start. Invisible. Now, see? It looks bad, obviously, because this is a tutorial. I'm not trying to make it look really good. Like, it's not supposed to be perfect. But, yeah. So, now we're gonna do the sounds. So, drag this to the number 6, and then right-click, insert, then press on the gear, limit conditions, only one action with event when the event loops. So, and then right click on this little thing, on this, then samples, don't do music, do samples, play sample, then I'm gonna from a file browse, and then select your select sound. So it should like sound like this. Okay, and then press OK, obviously, and then you can click on this, and then Control C, and then Control V, then double click on yellow, then change it to the green. Then it should work. See, that's okay. So now we're gonna do the Springtrap glitching, like buffering, or twitching. My bad. And then so you're gonna want to do an active. So do the active, and then open your file. And then I'm gonna do the normal one, so which is just Springtrap just sitting there. He looks traumatized. And then animations is down here. Click on walking, then open it, and then do your first twitch. What I like to do is I like to open them all up. So just go to the next animation and then open them all up. And then yep, there we go. And then like I like to copy this twitch and then like paste it 2 times, and then like copy this and then copy this one, then like do it like that, and then like move them around. So now he has like a twitching animations. Also go to direction options and then press a loop. So now it loops. Alright. And then you can just do that. I like to just copy it, then paste it, and then like just drag them around. It doesn't really matter where you drag them. And now it's a little different. And then also do the loop. See? And then just do this on the peering one, and then blah blah blah. Alright. Then also do the loop. Then press OK. And then right click on Springtrap or whatever you have. Then order to back. So it's under everything. Then just position it in your frame. And then now we have him. Wait, oh, that's not supposed to happen. What? Hold on. Yeah, whatever, it's fine. So now we have Springtrap in the main menu. And then go to the event editor. Or actually, no. So you're probably wondering why he's not twitching. So we have to do this with a counter, which is basically a number that like you can edit and stuff in the event editor. So double click, then press on counter, then just paste it over your, like, not in this, so it shouldn't be visible. Then size it up a little bit, and then I like to make it different colors. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can press on this, then size, do it to 999, and then opacity to 99. Not 999 or 100, just do 99. Then I'm gonna make it green. So just like press on this, press on like the outer thing, and just switch and do that. I do it fast. You can just see what I'm doing. It's like a paint bucket for like, but like, it doesn't take that much effort. Alright, and then now we have the counter. So go to your event editor, and then right click on the number 8, and then insert a group of events. Then I'm gonna make it spring trap glitching. Alright, and then press on the new condition, and then start a frame, or actually click on this every, and then make it 0 seconds, and then like about 80 of these. Press OK, and then right click on your counter that you made. So right click on the box, and then set counter random 5, or let's make it 10 actually. So random in parentheses 10, and then new condition, and then counter, the compare counter to the value. Click on it, and then compare counter to the value. Sorry, and then equal, and then to 0. So if it's equal to 0, then go to your Springtrap, and then right click, animation, change animation sequence to walking, and then drag this, then edit, then 1, and then drag it, edit 2, then drag it, edit 3, I think that's, and then drag it to the other, to the equals 1, then right click, edit, running, and drag it, right click, edit, appearing, and we don't need this one. Actually, we do. So press edit on this one, then greater, then 2, and then drag that one, 2, and then edit, stopped. Then now he should twitch. See, he does. Now, if we drag the counter into the frame, we can see what it's doing. Like, let's do that. And then see how like every 80 milliseconds is picking a random number. And when it equals like 2, 1, or 0, it twitches him. So if it doesn't want to pick 1 or 2, apparently. There we go. See? And then drag it out. And then that's basically how you do Springtrap twitching. And now we're gonna do the sounds. So we already did the sounds for the select. So now we're gonna do this title screen. So go out of the Springtrap glitching. You can go close it. Close. And then new condition. And then press on this. Start a frame. Then go to the sounds. Samples. Play sample. And then I'm gonna get the main menu sounds. Sorry, hold on. And then title music. Then if you edit it, you can hear it. So it should just like play. Yep. And also, and if you want static, you can. I'm not gonna do it. But if you want to, here, let me just draw like a random, not good static. So I'm just actually gonna size this up to the frame size, then double click on it. I'm just gonna make random things. So I'm gonna fill this black, then random lines. I'm gonna make, sorry, I keep my voice cracking. 100. Then just make it like gray, whatever. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna be using this white. some dark gray, then press OK, and then go to press on the active, and then go to blend coefficient to about 155. See, now it's kind of transparent, so you can see over the static. I'm not gonna add static, we're gonna do the static bars, which, like, I don't really know how to explain it. It's just like a semi-transparent bar that just moves around like static. So create a new active. We don't need paint.net for this one. So double click on the active, or actually hold on. Just drag it to the frame size. I'm gonna make 2 static bars, one small and one big. And then double click on the active, Control A, and then delete. And then fill this up with like green. Doesn't matter what color you use. And then blend coefficient to about right there. See, it's kind of transparent, but you can still see it. Alright, and then click on the active, and then go to this guy, see, like, running. And then it should say movement, type, and initial direction. Click on type, the static, and then go to path. Then press edit, and then make your path, or make the line color to white, or whatever color you like, so now you can see the line. And then you can just drag it down like that, and then click on try movement, and if you like it, you can just press OK. If you don't like it, then you can just click on edit again, and then create a new line, or wait, hold on. Or press on cancel if you don't like it. I'm gonna just create a new movement. Hold on. Okay. And then path. And then edit. Okay. I'm just gonna create a new line because it wasn't that like good. And then make it like straight so it doesn't like move out of frame. Then try movement. There you go. Now it may be going very, very fast. Don't edit this. This does not work. And then you could press on loop the movement, so it should like go up or down and then back up. I guess not, it doesn't want to. Just press on this, reverse that end. There you go. And then X, and then OK. And then go to the event editor. And then if you want this slower, you can, so press on new condition. Then click on the gear always, and then right click on the static bar, movement, and set speed to like, I don't know, like 10. See how it kind of moves slowly? Okay, and now we're gonna make the little static bar that goes faster. So just clone the object, clone the big static bar, then just just make it smaller, that, and then make it more transparent or less transparent. I just like making it more. Alright, and then go back to the event editor, and then set speed to like 25, and it should already have the movement. See, it's better. Or hold on, okay. Alright, and I think that's it for this tutorial. That's basically how you make a FNAF 3 type main menu. Thank you for watching and following this tutorial. Go to the /slash gamejolt page for my games, my studio's games, which is what the channel I'm uploading this on. And yeah, bye bye.